Hi everyone, a few days ago I shared this magical, mind-blowing product, and when I say magical, I'm really not exaggerating. This is by one of my favorite brands, Dermelect. This is their Confidence Crease Concentrate, and what this product does is it basically is a magic eraser for your wrinkles. It actually just feels like a super silky, buttery, soft, velvety serum. I apply it to my skin after about 30 minutes. Just 30 minutes, not 30 days or 5 months or 6 months, 30 minutes, you will see results instantly in your skin. I use it specifically on my chest area since I'm a side sleeper. I wake up with those vertical lines that are starting to etch in on my chest. And this is the only product that I have ever used that has made a significant, noticeable, immediate difference in those etched in wrinkles on my chest. It is a water-free product, and when it reacts with the skin, it will swell up the skin and it will give like a plumping effect in the skin. And for me specifically, on these etched in wrinkles, these vertical wrinkles that I have on my chest area, after I apply it, after about 30 minutes, I look in the mirror and I am mind blown every single time. The wrinkles are almost invisible. My skin looks airbrushed. You know how you see on Instagram where a lot of people are using filters on their skin? This basically is a filter in a bottle when you apply it. This would even be good, you know, maybe you're gonna have photos taken, maybe you're getting married, and maybe you're gonna have photos taken of your hands cutting the cake or something like that. This would even be really good to apply to your hands if you want your hands to look really airbrushed and flawless as well. But on their website, they say that you can use this as even a makeup primer. So if you have any forehead lines or any fine lines or wrinkles, you could also use this as your makeup primer step right before you do your foundation. This will help spackle in and airbrush, pretty much magically erase those wrinkles before you do your makeup. Most people do use this on their face, but I specifically like to use it on my neck area since that's really my problem area. But the reason I'm sharing this product again is because when I shared this a few days ago, shame on me, I showed a demo, but I didn't actually say when and how to use this. So I started getting a ton of comments and I couldn't keep up with replying to the comments. So I thought I better do a how-to video of specifically how to use this product. Now their website does say to apply it on clean, dry skin, and I don't do that. You can follow their instructions. I mean, I advise you to follow their instructions because they probably are the experts. But this is what I like to do. So if you want to follow the instructions on their website and see how that works for you, definitely go for it. Try it the way you're supposed to use it first. But this is what I like to do, and this is how I've been getting the mind-blowing results. I do all of my skincare first, whatever skincare I'm using for the day, and then I apply my sunscreen. And yes, I apply sunscreen on my neck and my chest, of course, as well as my face. After my sunscreen dries down, I apply only one pump of this product to my neck and my chest area. I just rub it in for, I don't know, 5-10 seconds. Then I wait 30 minutes. And you want to wait a good 30 minutes before you apply other products. Now, if you're using it on your face, sometimes I do as my makeup primer. I like to do all of my skincare and apply my sunscreen first and then apply this product. I also use this in the evening as a skincare step. Over time, the more I've been using this, I am noticing really nice, beautiful results. In fact, this morning when I woke up, I side sleep every night. I looked in the mirror and I was like, these wrinkles aren't as deep as they normally are. The skin is extremely smooth and soft. Over time, of course, it is starting to help with the appearance of those fine lines and wrinkles. Now, in the other video, I did share a few other products that I do like from the brand. So if you're interested in knowing some other products I do really enjoy from the brand, I'll make sure I link that video down below as well. But these two products are my all-time favorites from the brand. Their Self-Esteem Beauty Sleep Serum, my all-time favorite, not just from the brand, but my all-time favorite Holy Grail face serum ever. And of course I like to layer this with this is their neck cream that I absolutely love. I like this one better than their professional strength that comes in the tube. But you know how you can get this in the kit and it's already marked down 20% off, and then I have the discount code that you can take another 20% off? Well, this product, their Confidence Crease Concentrate, also comes in a really affordable value kit that's already 20% off, but then you can also use my discount code to take another 20% off, so it comes out to be almost 40% off, like I don't know, 37% off. But I haven't shared this one yet. This one's almost empty. This is their Empower Anti-Wrinkle Treatment. My ring light's a little bit bright. There's only a few little, probably just a couple more uses in here. But this is a face cream. You can use this as a neck cream also. I don't care for the packaging, even though it does look really pretty if you like to sit your packaging on your vanity. Let me just read to you some of the standout ingredients in this product. This has a few different peptides, but this has the argireline, the one that is like Botox in a bottle, and it's pretty high up, the peptides are. This also has a little bit of lactic acid. This has your hyaluronic acid in it, so it's super hydrating, but it's also super moisturizing. It has green tea leaf in it. It has grapeseed extract, vitamin E. This has vitamin C in it. It has retinol. This has ceramides in it. I mean, this is chock full of some really, really impressive ingredients, and this has really good reviews also. I do have a discount code for this brand. I will leave all the links to the products I mentioned down below, and I will leave my discount code down below as well. If you do decide to use my discount code, of course you will save a lot of money, but I do receive a small referral commission. No pressure to ever use my discount codes, but if you do use them, thank you very much. If you're one of the many people that left me those comments of how to specifically use this product, I hope this video helped clear it up a little bit. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment down below. I will do my best to answer your questions. If you want to see the other video with more details on this product, I'm going to pop that video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.